At last year's XL Enduro, my car had a hefty side-on hit, which I was questioning if I was going to fix it or reshell. But we did end up repairing the car, which turned out to be as good as new, and we only had a few days to get the car rewrapped before testing with a new look for 2026. I am here with Bailey, and we have a test day this Friday, so we're trying to get the car done in time. I've just got it back from the crash repairers. Looks clean and not broken. Bailey's been putting a lot of work in. He's a designer here at the Vinyl Touch. But he also designed my sister's car, and he is doing a fantastic job at the moment. We're just going to do some final touches at the Vinyl Touch. Now, it is currently Tuesday, and we are testing on Friday, so there's no rush, but the Vinyl Touch reckon they can get this car done before the test date. It's currently Tuesday afternoon, so first job for me is grabbing a heat gun, doing the easy part, and removing the vinyl before we start printing off the new one. So let's grab a heat gun and start taking off what is left of the old vinyl. You know what, removing vinyl is actually sometimes difficult. This is Avery material, which is really good. It's thin, but it's still a bit of a workout trying to get this to come all up. It's stuck on there real good, which is what we want. Another cool fact about this is my car must have had roof racks, because there is 4 to 5 holes in the front and back, which I think I knew about before, but somebody had roof racks on this car. Small details like that. There was plenty of other pieces to unwrap from the car, including the door trims and tucked away parts. But by Wednesday afternoon, the boys were ready to start wrapping the car. I was just happy to not look at the body repairs anymore. Alright, it's a new day. As you can see, a bit of teamwork going on with the rear bumper. Little sneak peek on what we've got so far. It's looking a lot better. That is the front bonnet, which is going to stay black, so you can kind of get a key of what colours we're doing now. The side has been wrapped. We've got some stickers to go on it. All hands on deck, and then I'm here filming. Are we happy so far with how we're going?
Not too bad. It's getting there. It's coming along quick. Tight timeline as motorsport is, but we'll get it done.
And you've got quite a lot of race cars at the moment, and you do quite a lot in general when it comes to it at this time of season, don't you?
Yep, race cars the start of the season. Everyone wants fresh livery to look their part.
Look at the posture, holding the hand. Michael Jackson, gloves on. He knows what he's doing. Beautiful. All right, I think everyone's a bit exhausted. It's been a massive day. Just got back with the car trailer. It is looking fantastic. Georgia and Matt are just doing some final touches, so massive thanks to them. Well, we're going to reveal this tomorrow at the track, so we'll get the final bits on, and we'll see you tomorrow at Taylor and Bend for our test day. Welcome to the Bend Motorsport Park, and we have made it out. It has been a massive effort the last couple of days. Crash repairer, wrap job, final touches, and then we had a setup last night thanks to Grunter Racing. It is in the background. It looks fantastic. Look, a lot of people would say it's a bit more basic than last year's livery, but that's what I wanted. Something that's just a good template, and the Vinyl Touch has done a fantastic job. So massive thanks to the team there. I now get to test my car, and it's been a long process, but we're out here at the Bend Motorsport Park to cut some laps. I'm just happy to be at this point. We're ready for the new season. It's great to have existing people back on the car, plus new people. All right, all that's left to do is drive the car. It's all ready to go for a nice season ahead. Alright, that's a wrap for our test day. Pretty successful. I did have an oil pressure light going off at me, or beeping, so I'm going to have to check that out, but my oil was looking pretty thin, so it should be an easy resolution. Either way, thanks guys for watching. Wrap's done, ready for round one in a couple of weeks' time. We'll see you then.